Hi students, let us start today class. Today we are going to see GCD and LCM of polynomials. GCD and LCM of polynomials. First we are going to see GCD. Okay, first we are going to see GCD. What is mean by GCD or else HCF? Okay, both also it's same. Highest common factor or else greatest common divisor. Okay, see, in our previous class we have learned how to find GCD, that means HCF, yes, of second degree and third degree expressions. Second degree and third degree expressions by method of factorization, yes. So second degree means it is a quadratic polynomial. It is a quadratic polynomial. How want to factorize? It is easy. By factorization method we used and we factorized. Yes. Then third degree means, so using synthetic division. Did you remember that? 9th standard we learned. Yes. Using synthetic division we factorized that given polynomials. Yes. Here we are going to learn how to find GCD of polynomials by the method of long division. By the method of long division. Using long division method we are going to find HCF. Okay. So see, here finding greatest common divisor, some procedures are there. Okay, some steps we want to follow. So what are the steps? Totally 3 steps are there. In the 3 steps, while solving sum, I will explain. Okay. So for example, any one of the number. Okay. For example, suppose I am taking any one of the number. 33 you should divide it by 3 table. Yes. So what you will get, 33 inside and 3 is outside. So 11 3 1 3 are 3. Then all 11 3 are 33. So this is called, what is a quotient. This is called remainder. Then here 3 is called divisor. Yes. 3 is called divisor. This is dividend inside. This is called dividend. Okay. So like this. But here it is given. Find the GCD of polynomials. Okay. Two polynomials it is given. From the two polynomials. See. Suppose here it is given polynomials means. This is number I have explained this. Suppose variables using it is given polynomials means x cube plus x squared minus x plus 2. This is one polynomial. And 2x cube minus 5x squared plus 5x minus 3. This is one more polynomial. Yes. In that polynomial, want to find GCD. Okay. How we are going to find GCD? You see, you want to divide like this. You should divide by long division method. You should divide this. Then we will get it as a GCD. Here at last, which divisor we are using, that divisor is called GCD. That divisor is called GCD. Okay. So see here two polynomial is given. So in this two polynomial, first step one what want to check? First step one want to check. So first you choose first polynomial f of x, second polynomial g of x. Okay. Or else change it also you can choose. Okay. So first polynomial f of x, second polynomial g of x. In that we want to check which is dividend, which is divisor. Okay. Here it is given 33 is divided by 3. Here we do not know which polynomial we want to divide. Okay. So here f of x, g of x, you want to check first highest degree. That means highest power. Two polynomial also highest power, which one we want to check. Yes. So while checking this, here x cube, here also x cube. Both the polynomial also we are getting same power. Yes. That means same degree of the polynomial. Then means next to go with the second step. What does that means? Suppose it is same means what want to choose? Next want to check coefficient. Okay, want to check coefficients. So here x cube coefficient is 1, but here x cube coefficient is 2. Then means which one is highest? 2 only highest. Then means step 2, totally step 3. 3 steps. 3 steps also that I will explain then. First we are checking the power. So power is equal. Suppose if greatest power is there means that is choose is called dividend. Smallest power is called divisor. Okay. Here both also same coefficient. Okay, same degree. Same degree means next to go with the coefficients. So x cube coefficient is here 1, here x cube coefficient is 2, then means you consider as this is okay. This is called what is that? G of x is called dividend. G of is dividend. Then f of x is divisor. F of x is divisor. Okay, because coefficient this only highest, then means this is dividend. Inside want to put, then g of x inside, f of x is outside. You put like this and divide, we will get it as a quotient remainder at the same time. Okay, quotient and remainder we will receive. Okay, because first is we decided which one is divisor, which one is dividend. So this dividend you should divide it by this divisor. We will receive as a quotient and a remainder. Okay, then we will get it as a GCD. Then this, how can you write this? You see, suppose in this polynomial we can write in the form of f of x is inside. Okay, so here g of x is inside, f of x is outside. Okay, then here we will get quotient is q of x. So this and this you should divide, we will get it as a r of x. This is remainder. Okay, this is remainder, this is quotient. Okay, in this problem only g of x is inside, f of x is outside. Yes, so in common f of x want to come inside, g of x want to come outside. Okay, so this we can write in the form of f of x. How we can write? F of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x remainder. Okay, so see, will you understand this? Plus r of x. So given polynomial, okay, we can write in the form of, you should multiply with the remainder, you should add, means given polynomial you will get. Okay, so this only I have explained for sum. Okay, any of the number 33 you should divide by 3. What we received here, 11 3s are 33, so remainder 0. Then how we can write now? F of x is 33. 33 we can write in the form of 11 into 3 plus 0. 11 into 3 plus 0. Okay, already this format we used where in second chapter. Did you remember second chapter exercise 2.1? Okay, want to find HCF using Euclid division algorithm. Yes, using Euclid's division algorithm, we will write in the form of what is that? A is equal to PQ plus R. Yes, here A is called what is that? I have explained already. A is dividend, here B is divisor, Q is quotient, R is remainder. Like that only here f of x is dividend, g of x is divisor, q of x is quotient, and r of x is remainder. Okay, so getting polynomial we can write in this format. Okay, see, now I have explained only the step 1 and step 2. Yes, step 1, what is that? Highest degree you want to check first, highest power. Then highest power is called, okay, 2 polynomial is given. From the 2 polynomial, highest power which one, that is called dividend. Lowest power is called divisor. Then put inside, dividend is inside, divisor is outside. As usual, you should divide, you will get it as a remainder. Suppose remainder is not get 0, one more step we want to go. Okay, so while solving sum, I will solving exercise problem, I will explain the remaining steps. Okay, now we are going to see exercise problem. Okay, find the GCD of two polynomials by using long division method. Okay, so after complete the GCD, I will explain LCM. Okay, so see exercise problem. See exercise 3.2, first question, first problem, first point. Find the GCD of the given polynomials. Two polynomials. First polynomial x power 4 plus 3x cube minus x minus 3. Second polynomial x cube plus x square minus 5x plus 3. Yes. So now see solution. First polynomial you should write first f of x. Let f of x is equal to x power 4 plus 3x cube plus minus x minus 3. So you check it first. Here f of x power 4 is there, next power 3 is there. Which term is missing? Square term is missing. Then means first you want to write x power 4 plus 3x cube plus 0x squared minus x minus 3. Now you check. So here which term is not there. Okay, which term is absent or else. So here which term is not there, that term you should be added. Okay, 0 into that term should be added. Okay, so that here x squared term is missing, so the 0x squared you want to add. Okay, remaining terms you should write as it is. Now you check 4 3 2 1, then constant term will be there. Okay, so therefore this is called f of x. Now g of x is equal to x cube plus x squared, second polynomial, x squared minus 5x plus 3. Now you have started with the cube, next is square term, x term and constant term is there. Okay, so all the term is present. Now you see here what want to find GCD of this two polynomial. What is that? F of x and g of x. Okay, this two polynomial. So f of x and g of x. Can choose p of x, q of x also. Okay, whatever letter also we can choose. So I have chosen here f of x and g of x. Now in that, now you want to consider these two polynomial, you want to divide. Yes, using long division only we will find out GCD. So that, see, so here we want to decide which one is divisor first. Okay, so already I have explained this. Which polynomial power is less, that polynomial is considered as a divisor. Lowest power will be there, that is considered as a divisor. So you check it here, degree of f of x. Short form I have written this, degree of f of x is greater than degree of g of x. Yes, so this degree only highest because power 4 here cube only. Okay, then means here degree of f of x is greater than degree of g of x. Therefore, g of x is the divisor. G of x is divisor. Now, so use long division, you should divide. Now, f of x want to come inside. X power 4 plus 3x cube plus 0x squared minus x minus 3 will come inside. Outside what want to come? G of x, x cube plus x squared minus 5x plus 3 want to come outside. Now this f of x polynomial you should divide it by this g of x polynomial. So you divide, we will receive the answer. Now here power 4 is there, here power cube only is there. Then means x cube, which term you should multiply, means we will get x power 4. So x cube you should multiply with the dash term, we will get it as a x power 4. So you should multiply with the x. See x power 1 or else just x. So x cube into x only, x power 4. Then means here you want to multiply with the x. Okay. So for always first term you want to make it as a same. Okay, then means here first term is x power 4, here first term x cube. So that x cube you should multiply with the x only, we will get x power 4. Therefore x into x power 4 x. So x into x cube x power 4. Next plus, here also plus into plus x into x squared 3x squared. Okay, 3x cube. All the term, this x you take and multiply all the term. Okay, so x into x squared 3x cube. X into x squared only x cube. Okay, x into x squared x cube. X into minus 5x minus 5x squared. Next plus x into plus 3. Okay, yes, 3 x into plus 3 plus 3x. Okay, understand? So first here x power 4, here x cube only is there. So x cube, always you compare with the first term and write this quotient first term. Quotient first term you want to find. Okay, for that here x power 4, here x cube. So that x cube we should multiply with the x only, we will get x power 4. So that x cube into x, oh I have written here x, so x into x cube. After finding this as x, you should take and multiply all the terms. So x into x cube, x power 4, x into x squared, x cube, x into minus 5x squared, x into plus 3 plus 3x. So then after that it will not get cancelled, so that all the symbol have to change. Minus change into plus, plus change into minus. Usually we will subtract. Yes, numbers means it is easy. So 20 you should divide by 20 you should divide by 7 table means how? Here 2 sevens are 14 remaining. Usually what we will do, we will subtract only now. Yes, 20 14 go means remaining 6. So like that we will divide. Yes, at the same procedure only, but here only one term, but here four terms are there. 1 2 3 4 terms. It means 4 term symbol also have to change. So while changing this, here plus means minus, here minus means plus, here plus means minus. So all the terms you should, after changing first term, automatically it will get cancelled. So next 3x cube minus x cube, it goes 2x cube. After change the symbol only want to consider 3x cube, 1x cube go means 2x cube. Next minus 5x squared change into plus 5x squared. So that 0 plus 5x squared, 0 plus 5x squared. Okay, you should not write 6x squared. Okay, because 0x squared only is the meaning. So 0x squared plus 5x squared means plus 5x squared. Next here minus 3x, after you have changed plus 3x is changed into minus 3x. Minus 3x, here minus 1x. Then means totally how many x are there? Minus 4x. Minus 4x. Okay. Now this minus 3. Next one term is missing. That one term want to come down. What is that? Constant term want to come down. Minus 3 want to come down. Now next step you see, second step, here first term 2x cube is there, 2x cube, but here only x cube. Then means x cube with number you should, which number you should multiply, we will get it as a 2x cube means the number 2 only. Yes, then means here plus 2. So 2 you should take and multiply with all the terms. Here because first term 2x cube, here only 1x cube. So 1 you should multiply with 2 only, we will get 2x cube. So that number 2 you should multiply. Okay, that means 2 into x cube, 2x cube. Next 2 into x square plus 2x square. Next plus into minus, minus 2 5s are 10x. Next plus into plus plus 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. Usually what we will do, we will subtract. Yes, we will subtract means you should change the symbol. So all the terms you should change the symbol. Okay, so here minus, here minus, here minus change into plus, here plus change into minus. Okay, for understand purpose I am writing this pen. Yes, so here plus means minus, here minus means plus, here plus means minus. Yes, like that. Now first term always will get cancelled. Now 5x squared, after change the symbol, plus 2x squared change into minus 2x squared. So 5 minus 2 goes 3x squared. 3x squared. Now minus 10x is changed into plus 10x. So plus 10x minus 4x is go means plus 6x. Plus 6x. Now next minus 3, here after change the symbol plus 6 change into minus 6. So minus 3 minus 6 means minus 9. Totally minus 9. Same symbol means you should add. So that minus 9. That's all. Okay, after that we cannot divide. Why? Because all the terms at last term it came down. So after that we cannot divide. Okay, this is called, what is that? This is called remainder. This is called remainder. This is called quotient. Yes. So that road one. So that this is called remainder. This we can leave. Now you see. So here remainder we didn't get 0. Okay. So we want to do up to remainder. You want to get 0. You want to work out. Okay. Here remainder we didn't receive 0. So that whenever you are doing this, any two polynomials you are dividing, we want to get remainder, we want to get 0. Suppose we didn't get 0, remainder we didn't get 0, we want to go with the next step. Okay, what is that? You see that step. Now here you see in that 3x squared plus 6x minus 9. Yes, so here remainder is non-zero. Here remainder is non-zero, therefore 3x squared plus 6x minus 9, in that what is common? 3 is common. 3 you take outside, remaining x squared plus 2x. 3 2s are 6x, next 3 3s are 9. Okay, 3 commonly you want to take outside, remaining x squared plus 2x minus 3 you will get. Okay, now see which used before, we use this is called divisor. Now this divisor is changed into dividend, this remainder is changed into divisor. Will you understand? Now this g of x want to write inside, then getting remainder we want to write outside. Okay, understand? Now g of x, this g of x divided by new remainder. Okay, here 3 commonly we have taken outside, so no need to consider this constant term. This 3 no need to consider, this polynomial alone. That remainder you should divide. What is the remainder? X square plus 2x minus 3 you should divide. Okay, understand? This is step 2. Suppose remainder we didn't receive 0, we want to do like this. Now g of x you should write inside. G of x, what is that? X cube plus x squared minus 5x plus 3. Then remainder is, what is that? X squared plus 2x minus 3. Okay. So usual division only. You know, already 9th standard you did this problem. Now, okay, like this division you did, yes. So now here x cube, here x squared. So x cube, which term we should multiply? We will get, sorry, here x squared. X squared, which term we should multiply? We will get x cube. Okay, see, x squared, first term, x squared, here x cube. So x squared you should multiply with the x only, we will get it as a x cube. So that here x you want to write. So x you take and multiply all the 3 terms. Now x into x squared, x cube, x into plus 2x, 2x squared. Now x into minus 3x, minus 3x. Now you should change the symbol, minus, plus change into minus, minus change into plus, because usually we will subtract, so that you should subtract. Now this will get cancelled, minus 2x squared, here plus 1x squared. After change the symbol only want to consider, so that minus 2x squared, 1x squared it goes. Okay, minus 2 plus 1, what is the answer? Minus 1 only, na? Yes. So that here minus x squared you will get. Okay, now here minus 5x, here plus 3. Minus 5 plus 3. What will answer? Minus 2. Yes. So minus 2x. Then plus 3 will come down. Plus 3 will come down. Okay. So that's all. Now, so this we simplified and plus 3 it came down. Next step, here plus x squared is there outside. Here first term minus x squared, here plus x squared. Now first term always make it as the same. Then means here minus x squared, here plus x squared. So plus x squared you want to change to minus x squared, means this number you want to multiply. Minus 1 want to multiply. So x squared you should multiply with the minus 1, we will get it as a minus x squared. Okay, so rough work this is for understand purpose. Here x squared, you should multiply with the minus 1 only, we will get it as a minus x squared. That means minus 1 you take and multiply these three terms. So minus 1 into x squared, minus x squared, minus 1 into 2, minus 2x, next minus into minus plus 1 3s are 3. Now you should change the symbol, here minus change into plus, minus change into plus, here plus change into minus. Now you check, so see, minus x square plus x square will get cancelled, minus 2x plus 2x will get cancelled, plus 3 minus 3. After change the symbol only want to consider, so everything will get cancelled. So answer is 0. Therefore, here remainder we received as 0. Remainder is 0. So this is called remainder. Okay. So remainder we received 0 means we received the answer. Okay. Therefore, GCD of the two polynomials, GCD of f of x and g of x, these two polynomial GCD is, what does that means? At last, which divisor we used? At last, which divisor we used, that is called GCD. Yes, that means this is called GCD. X squared plus 2x minus 3. So this is called GCD. So in these two polynomial, which one is greatest common divisor means x squared plus 2x minus 3. This is called GCD. Okay. So in this polynomial only we can divide. This polynomial also we can divide, and this polynomial also we can divide. Commonly we can divide. Okay, any other polynomial we can divide or not, we cannot divide. Exactly this polynomial x square plus 2x minus 3 only we can divide this both the polynomial. So this is called GCD, greatest common divisor. Okay, that's all. See next, first one, second point. So find the GCD of given polynomial. Two polynomial. First polynomial x power 4 minus 1. Only two terms are there. Second polynomial x cube minus 11x square plus x minus 11. Okay. So here four terms are there. So you choose how we are going to find this GCD. You see solution. First given polynomial you choose. First polynomial, let f of x is equal to x power 4 minus 1. And g of x is equal to x cube. Second polynomial, x cube minus 11x square plus x minus 11. Okay. Now you see already I told, yes, what is that? Here f of x, I have chosen this polynomial. First x power 4. All the terms should be present or not, you want to check. But here it is not present because power 4, power 3, power 2, power 1, it is missing. Yes. Then means how want to write this polynomial? X power 4 plus 0x cube plus 0x squared plus 0x minus 1. Okay. Three terms are missing. X cube term, x squared term, x term is missing. So that you want to add with the 0x cube, 0x squared, 0x. That constant term you should write minus 1, right, as it is. Now this is called f of x. Next g of x is x cube minus 11x squared plus x minus 11. Here all the term you check, cube, square term and x power 1. Okay, x power 1, then constant term is there. Okay, then this g of x is there, so no problem. Okay, all the term will be present. This is called g of x. Then here see cube, squared, then 1, power 1. Next here variable is x only. Okay, this power is 0 is the meaning. Okay, this is 1 mark. So here any constant term, the power of the variable is, what is that? The power of the variable is 0. Any constant term, the power of the variable is 0. Actually here x power 0 is the meaning. X power 0 means what is that? 1. So 11 into 1 we will get 11 only. Okay. So any constant term, the variable will be there. That variable power is 0 is the meaning. Okay. 1 mark this is. Now okay. Now you here what we want to find? Find GCD of f of x and g of x. These two polynomial GCD want to find. So already I have explained. Degree want to check. In that I usually here f of x, g of x, f of x only highest power is there. Okay, here power 4, here power 3. That means this degree only highest. So degree of f of x is greater than degree of g of x. Degree of g of x. Then means which is called divisor. So lowest power absolutely. So g of x is divisor. Now you should divide using long division. Now f of x want to come inside. Dividend want to come inside. X power 4 plus 0x cube plus 0x squared plus 0x minus 1 outside x cube minus 11x squared plus x minus 11 want to come outside. Now you should divide. Here first term x power 4, here x cube. Then mean you should multiply with the x only. Yes. So x into x cube, x power 4, all the term want to multiply. So x into minus 11 x cube, x into plus x into x plus x squared. Okay, x into x squared, x into minus 11x. So after what want to do? Want to change symbol. Yes, all the term symbol here minus change into plus, plus change into minus change into plus. Now usually first term we will get cancelled. Then now minus 11 change into plus 11 plus 0 11 only, 11x cube. Here plus x square change into minus, so minus x square plus 0x square means minus x square. Minus 11 has changed into plus 11. Plus 11 plus 0x is should add plus 11x plus 0x add means plus 11x. At last, which term is there? Then one more term is there, that is constant term. That constant term want to come down. So minus 1 want to come down. Now here first term 11x cube, but here only x cube. That means here you want to get 11x cube means this x cube you should multiply with the plus 11. So 11 into x cube plus 11x cube. Next plus 11 into 11 minus 121x squared. Okay, plus into minus 11 11s are 121x squared. Next 11 into x 11x. Okay, 11 into x 11x. Next 11 into minus 11 minus 121. 11 11s are 121. Okay, then what want to do? Want to change symbol. Minus plus, here plus change into minus, here minus change into plus. Now this first term usually it will get cancelled. Now minus 121 change into plus 121. So 121x squared plus 121x squared, 1x squared it goes 120x squared. 120x squared. Next plus 11x minus 11x, this term also it's get cancelled. Plus 11x minus 11x, x terms it gets cancelled. Now plus 121, here minus 1. So 121, 1 it goes plus 120. Okay, or else here you write. Next here this term 0, so that plus 120. Okay, so at last we cannot divide because constant term came down. So constant term also we simplified. So this is called remainder. Yes, this is called remainder. So you should write it. Okay, here remainder is non-zero. Remainder is not equal to 0. Symbol also we can use. Remainder is not equal to 0. Now we want to choose which one. You see, now that remainder you should write what is that? 120x squared plus 120. This what is common? 120 is common. You take outside, remaining x squared plus 1 you will receive. In that both the term 120 is common, take outside. Here x squared, here 120 went outside, remaining 1 is the meaning. So plus 1. Remainder is non-zero means now g of x is the dividend. New remainder is called divisor. Yes. So write Right, g of x is step 2. First, this you should write inside. G of x write inside. X cube minus 11x square plus x minus 11 inside. Then outside only x square plus 1. Constant outside, this constant no need to write. Okay. So only x square plus 1 alone write outside. Now see here you are dividing this because here x term is missing, so we no need to consider that, leave it. Okay, here only two term x square plus 1. Now here x square term, here x cube term, then means you should multiply x squared, you should multiply with the x only, you will get x cube. So that x into x squared x cube. Now x into 1 plus x. Okay, carefully you can write where x squared term should not write. Okay, because here it is not there. So that x into x squared x cube, x into 1 x. Now how to change the symbol? Changing this, here minus, here minus. So this it will get cancelled. This 2 also it will get cancelled. Remaining minus 11x squared. This minus 11 want to come down. Okay, here minus 11x squared minus 11 want to come down. Now you see here minus 11x squared, here only x squared. So x squared you should multiply with the minus 11 only. First term you will get it as a equal. So minus 11 into x squared minus 11x squared. Now minus into plus minus 11 ones are 11. Then what we want to do? We want to change the symbol. So plus, here plus. Now you see minus 11x squared. After change the symbol only want to consider, so that minus 11x squared plus 11x squared cancel. Minus 11 plus 11 will get cancelled. So answer is 0. This is remainder or. Therefore remainder is 0. So here we received remainder is 0. Therefore answer GCD of f of x comma g of x. GCD of f of x comma g of x. What is GCD at last? Which divisor we used? The remainder we received as 0 means this. So this is called GCD. So x squared plus 1 is the answer. So using this polynomial only we can divide both the polynomials. So this is called GCD. Okay, that's all. See next third point. Find the GCD of this polynomial. First polynomial 3x power 4, 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 12x squared minus 24x. And second polynomial 4x power 4 plus 14x cube plus 8x squared minus 8x. So see both the polynomial also at last constant term is not there. Yes. So constant term is missing. At the same time some terms are common. Yes. All the terms, not some terms, all the terms, common terms are there. Yes. So suppose before choosing this, any common term is there. You are choosing f of x and g of x. If there any common term you want to take it as outside. Okay. So see solution. First polynomial you choose f of x. Let f of x is equal to 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 12x squared minus 24x. Now in that what is common? All the one x is common and then 3 table also common. 3 table 6 is possible, 12 is possible, 24 is possible. So 3x you are taking outside. 3x you are taking outside. Remaining here x cube is remaining plus. So here 1x went outside, 3. How many 3s are 2? 2x squared you will get. Next minus 3 4s are 12. 1x went outside means remaining 1x minus this x went outside. How many 3s are 24? 3 8s are 24. Okay. So 3x is common means 3x you take outside and we will get this polynomial. Next g of x 4x power 4 plus 14x cube plus 8x squared minus 8x. Here 3 table all the number is possible. Here 4 table you see 4 table 8 is possible, 8 is possible, but 14 is not possible. Yes. So 4 table 14 is not possible. So that what want to do, this 4, 14, 8, 8, which table is common? 2 only common. Okay, 2x you want to take outside, because 4 table we cannot take outside, so that 2 table you take outside means 2x. That means 2 2s are 4, 2x cube you will get, 2x cube. Now because 1x went outside, remaining x cube, 2x cube plus 2 sevens are 14, so x squared, x cube change into x squared plus 2 fours are 8, 4x minus 4. Okay, 2 fours are 8x, x went outside, remaining 4 alone. Now so here 3x and 2x, so in that GCD of this 2, 3x and 4, 2x, which is common? X is common. Okay, GCD of f of x and g of x, outside commonly we have chosen, what is that? X is chosen common, so that x you want to write. Okay, now at last answer you want to mention this x. Now see, you should divide. Now you see here, see here both the polynomial also same power only. Okay, same highest degree, power 4, power 4. Yes, after common term is taking outside, here cube, same only is there. Then means what want to do here, we want to choose divisor. Yes, for that here degree of f of x is equal to degree of g of x. So this degree is equal means next you go with the coefficient. Yes. So I already explained coefficients. Here x power 4 coefficient is 3. Here x power 4 coefficient is 4. After commonly taking outside, here x cube coefficient is 1. Here x cube coefficient is 2. So this only highest. Then means f of x is. So f of x is divisor. Okay, because this only less coefficient, this is highest coefficient. Here only 1x cube, but here 2x cube. That means f of x is divisor. That means first g of x you want to write outside, inside. So 2x cube plus 7x squared plus 4x minus 4 right inside. Then this f of x, no need to write 3x, 2x, only this. Our common terms alone write x cube plus 2x squared minus 4x minus 8 alone write outside. Okay, now here first term 2x cube, here only x cube. Then mean you should multiply with 2. 2 you should multiply with x cube, only 2x cube. Yes, so 2 you should take and multiply all the terms. So 2 into x cube, 2x cube, 2 2s are plus 4x squared. Next 2 4s are minus 8x. Next 2 8s are minus 16. Okay, 2 8s are minus 16. So before that I told here all the terms should be present. X cube, x squared, x term, constant term. X cube, x squared term, x term and constant term. All the terms it's present. Okay, so no problem. As it is we can divide. So no need to add any term. So we are dividing this. First here there is no x we received. Only constant term alone here. So 2 you take and multiply all the terms. So multiply, then you want to change the symbol now. This 2 polynomials upright, so plus change into minus, minus change into plus, minus change into plus. Now what will be cancelled? First term will be cancelled. This will be cancelled. After change the symbol, minus 4. 7 minus 4, 3x squared. Next 4 plus 8, 12x. Next, plus 16 minus 4 plus 12. Plus 12. So this is called remainder. Yes. So here at last all the terms is came down. So here remainder we didn't receive 0. Therefore here remainder is not equal to 0. Therefore 3x square plus 12x plus 12. What is common? 3 is common. Yes, all the one 3 is common. 3 taking outside, x square, 3 4s are 12x, 3 4s are 12. So 3 times of x square plus 4x plus 4 you will get. Now what want to do? Go with step 2. Now g of here, which divisor we used? Okay, that divisor is changed into dividend. This remainder is changed into divisor. Yes, then means now this polynomial you should write inside. F of x polynomial write inside. X cube plus 2x squared minus 4x minus 8 write inside. Outside this x squared plus 4x plus 4. No need to consider this constant. This polynomial alone write. So after that, here you see, here first term is x cube, here first term is x square. Then mean x squared you should multiply with x only, we will get x cube. So x into always we want to decide this question compare with the first term only. Yes. So x into x squared x cube plus x into 4x squared, x into plus 4 plus 4x. Now how to change symbol? Here minus, a plus change into minus, here minus. Now plus x cube minus x cube cancel. Minus 4x squared plus 2x squared means remaining minus 2x squared. Here minus 4x minus 4x. Okay, carefully want to do here minus 4. After change the symbol, minus is there. So minus 4x minus 8x. Then one constant term want to come down, minus 8. Now here only x squared, here minus 2x squared. Then means first term want to make it as the same means here x squared you should multiply with the minus 2. So minus 2 into x squared minus 2x squared. Minus 2 multiplying only we will get first term equal. So minus 2 into x squared minus 2x squared. Next minus into plus minus. 2 4s are 8x. 2 4s are minus 8. Okay, 2 minus 2 into 4 minus 8. You should change the symbol plus here plus. Now what will receive the answer? You see, you will receive the answer here plus minus 2x squared plus 2x squared cancel, minus 8x plus 8x cancel, minus 8 plus 8 cancel, all the term it's cancel. Remainder we received as a 0. Okay, this is remainder we received as a 0. Therefore here remainder is 0. GCD of the two polynomials, GCD of f of x and g of x. These two polynomial, what is GCD? So don't forget here first itself I have chosen, what is that? X will be the common, 3x and 2x I have chosen. F of x is 3x and g of x is 2x. Yes, so sorry, 3x 2x. In that 3 and 2x, what will be common outside? X is common. Yes, therefore at last answer x of this polynomial want to write. X squared divisor, this divisor want to write 4x plus 4. Okay, don't forget at last this x want to write. So x of x squared, which divisor we used, remainder received 0, this divisor. So x squared plus 4x plus 4. So this is x squared plus 4x plus 4. So this polynomial. So this polynomial only we can divide given polynomials, both the polynomials. So this is called GCD. That's all. So in that fourth point also at the same method, third point how we did at the same method you want to do fourth point. Okay, so here first polynomial 3 is common, second polynomial 6 is common. So you take outside 3 and 6. What is the common? 3 is common because 3 we can write 3, 6 we can write it into 3 into 2. So both the polynomial also 3 will come commonly outside. How? Before sum x is common. So like that here 3 is common. So 3 common, at last answer 3 you want to mention. Okay, that's all. So you should work out it that problem. Thank you.